We have stopped importation of rice, and the money we saved, we are putting it in infrastructure. Fighting corruption is a much more difficult thing to do under this arrangement. But what we are doing, we are getting the law enforcement agencies to watch those who abuse trust. They will be investigated and prosecuted. Whatever is taken away from them will be put in the treasury. Hence we came with the treasury single account. And let us build the roads, let us do the rain, let us bring power so that Nigerians can run their own businesses and work very hard, as I believe Nigerians do. We have done quite well in security. The people of Northeast are the best judges because what they were in and what we did when we came to secure that region.
The Ekiti State chapter of the All Progressives Congress and the PDP-controlled government in the state have been at loggerheads during the week following the death wish advertorial sponsored by Governor Ayushi and the alleged planned assassination plot against Buhari in the course of his campaign in Ekiti. Therefore, the heavy security beefed up in the state did not come as a surprise to many. These APC stalwarts in the state, however, raised concerns.
Security situation today is good. The only thing is I just received a message now that APC people coming from F4 were blocked on their way here.
APC is a popular party in Ekiti. APC is a popular party in Nigeria. One thing we advise our fellow brothers in the other party, which is PDP, the issue of breaking billboards, the issue of turning posters, that is not the way to win elections.
The Labour Party candidate at the June 21st, 2014 governorship election, Okpeyemi Bamidele, made a surprise appearance at the campaign venue to drum support for Buhari as leaders of the party state reasons why Ekiti people should vote for it. Buhari later mounted the podium to canvass for the votes of Ekiti people.
Insecurity, unemployment, and corruption. The APC is determined